Hello everyone, and welcome to Explorer Hop. Today we have to find out how many roots y is equal to x minus 4 times x minus 5 has, and we have to use 3 different ways to do it. So let's get started. Method number 1 would be to inspect the graph of the actual equation and see how many times the parabola intersects the x-axis. So right off the bat we can see that it's 2 times. One at x is equal to 4 and one at x is equal to 5. So there's 2 roots, x equals 4 and x equals 5. And that's what the first method tells us. Let's see if the other methods tell us the same thing. The second method would be to take the equation, which is right here. Y is equal to x minus 4 times x minus 5. And what we would do is we would set y to equal 0, because when the parabola is intersecting the x-axis, the y value of that coordinate is always 0. So we just do 0 is equal to x minus 4 times x minus 5, which means 0 has to be either equal to x minus 4, or 0 has to either be equal to x minus 5, which means the 2 roots are x equals 4 and x equals 5. And this is the same thing we got when we looked at the graph right here. Now let's see if the third method tells us the same thing. The third method would include taking the equation and converting it into standard form, because right now it's in factored form. And once we convert it into standard form, we can use the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac, and see what that tells us. And based on what that tells us, we can find out how many roots the parabola has. So we just have to expand this. So y is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5x plus 20. Therefore, y is equal to x squared minus 9x plus 20. And b is equal to negative 9, c is equal to 20, and a is equal to 1. So now we just have to substitute our values into the discriminant. We have negative 9 squared minus 4 times 1 times 20. And this amounts to 81 minus 80, which is equal to 1. And since the discriminant's answer is greater than 0, that means that the parabola has 2 roots, which was confirmed by the other 2 methods we used. Therefore, this parabola has 2 roots. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next lesson.